Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. We have severe weather outlook and a outlook on what's going on the East Coast. We actually are going to get into a springtime pattern on the East Coast where we're going to get afternoon showers and thunderstorms, very isolated and severe in nature. If they do develop, mainly your garden variety, rain and thunderstorms with lightning. Severe weather risk today, sitting back here in west central Texas. The marginal risk goes from the Mexican border through parts of Kansas, and we have another marginal risk here, Salt Lake City south, into parts of Arizona and a small area near St. Louis in the marginal risk zone. As we go into the day on Friday, so then we'll go into the day tomorrow. Pittsburgh back through Omaha, we have an area of marginal risk that goes through in south here through Texas. Slight risk, western Oklahoma, parts of Amarillo, Salina, Kansas, Manhattan, Kansas, Grand Island, and then your North Platte area up through Torrington, Wyoming has this nice enhanced risk. That'll be the area with most probability of tornadoes tomorrow, and especially damaging large hail. And then as the high pressure moves off the coast further, generalized thunderstorms, like I said, will happen in Philadelphia, Roanoke, Raleigh, Atlanta, back here to Florida, Tennessee. Marginal risk area, Chicago, Milwaukee, Green Bay. We also will see some Indianapolis and a slight risk going all the way to the Canadian border, and pretty much all the way to the Mexican border in the Tornado Alley area. The area with the highest risk is Nebraska, areas of Oklahoma City, Omaha, Wichita, Sioux Falls. That area is going to be in the enhanced, and likely going to see an area in Nebraska and Kansas that goes to a high risk of severe weather. Not high risk, a moderate risk, one of the two. And this would be on the day on Saturday and Sunday. It doesn't get much better. We get more to the northern plains, but we're still going to see severe weather. The chance of severe weather actually push east, and the main zone will be actually areas here: Minneapolis, Milwaukee, Chicago, St. Louis. That area right there is going to be a prime zone, or probably another area that goes down to the Gulf Coast, or at least marginal, and that'll all move east by the beginning of next week for Roanoke, Pittsburgh, and etc. So something you have to keep an eye on for the next couple of days will increase severe weather and tornado potential. Stay with Live Weather Blogs and the Weather Pros for all your latest weather information. Dean D. Davison, meteorologist and severe weather specialist. Thank you for watching. Have a great afternoon and stay safe.